Hi, everyone. Welcome to Curated by Becta's Meal Kit number 147 for May 4th to the 7th. Thanks so much for ordering this week, and thanks for letting us bring you a little springtime at home. We've got a delicious menu for you tonight, and out of like 200 meal kits, this is the first one. We have no frying pans, so super easy cleanup today. You will need some baking sheets, though, with some parchment paper. Um, I I'm going to try to compress the meal video so that you see it all at once, but um, really for this one especially, I hope that you will do your appetizer, then your main course, then dessert. All three need some oven time. If you want to group the appetizer main course together like we are, then go for it. But especially for the dessert, it's a molten chocolate cake. You want that like fresh out of the oven after you've done, eating the main courses. So I've gone ahead and got started. On a baking sheet with parchment, I've put our lovely smoked Cornish game hen and the potato pave in there, and it's going to be in there for 18 minutes in total. Next up, I've got my fish spring rolls. This is Arctic char and a little rainbow trout mixed in together, and we're going to bake that in the oven for 10 minutes. I'm going to put that in now, and in 2 minutes, I'm going to add the asparagus to that because that's 8 minutes in the oven. So the asparagus gets tossed in olive oil, salt, and pepper, and then that goes in the oven like that. And then, the only thing on the stove is this lovely chicken jus or game hen jus, and we're gonna just warm that up on low, and then we're gonna emulsify some unsalted butter in there. So I'm watching the clock because in 2 minutes I'm gonna throw the asparagus in, and then I'm gonna put the molten chocolate cake in so I can have it all done at once. But in the meantime, let's have a little taste of wine. This is a Camas Chenin Blanc from the southwest of France, Vin de Pays d'Oc, and it's lovely, organic and sustainable. And while Chenin Blanc is mostly grown in the Loire Valley in France, sometimes you find it in the Languedoc as well. Lovely perfumed, optional wine pairing, and it's just got that almost brininess, which is going to be great with the fish spring rolls. I can take our plum sauce, homemade plum sauce, and we're going to put that in our little dipping bowls here. Good to the last drop. And then just spread out your lettuce leaves and then your garnishes next to that. Okay, it's been 2 minutes on the spring rolls. So let's take that out and add the asparagus to it. And again, I'm doubling this up. I hope that you do the appetizer first, take a break, and then do the main course next. But you don't want to watch me for, all that time. And you certainly don't want to watch me eat. All right, that's done. Back in. And on a pie plate, but you can use anything you want, Pyrex, another baking sheet with parchment, whatever you like. That's the molten chocolate cake. And when the alarm goes off, basically everything's going to be ready, and I'm just going to plate it all up. There's really not much to do. So I'm going to pause this right here, and then I'll pick this up in a few minutes when everything's ready out of the oven. Hi, everyone, and we are back. So not much has happened since I stopped. We just put the unsalted butter in to emulsify in the chicken jus, and now we're ready to take some stuff out and build things. So why don't we start with our appetizer? And the asparagus is nice and roasted. So spring rolls are going in the lettuce leaves. Super easy. This will literally be the quickest video of all time. While I'm here, I might as well put the asparagus on the plate. It's beautiful local asparagus now, first of the season. Very excited. And then you can put your cilantro and jalapeno on top. My wife loves the cilantro. She's gonna be very happy with dinner tonight. And then we've got these sliced jalapenos, and make sure to wrap them up in the lettuce leaves before you dip in the plum sauce. And I didn't talk about the red wine tonight. We have a Cave Spring Dolomite Pinot Noir, which is the the restaurant version. They only sell this one to restaurants, and it's terrific. Very earthy, jammy, beautiful Pinot Noir quality to it. I think you'll love it with the Cornish hen. So anyway, here is our fish spring rolls with the coriander, the lettuce wraps, the plum sauce for dipping, and the sliced jalapenos. Move that along. We can get these out of the way. Next up, and the dessert is probably almost done. So I'm just going to turn off the heat. So the potato pave, we're going to put down. Smells beautiful. And then our Cornish hen, any way you like. I'm gonna try one on top and one beside the potato pave. But we've got the pickled red onion, and that is going to go on top of the asparagus. Give it that really nice acid to balance the richness of the asparagus. That's looking good. Don't forget to hit it with a little bit of salt and pepper all around. I'm going to clean up my red onion dribble. There we go. And now the jus. And we're going to go on the hen and around the plate. It's beautiful when you got a glossy sauce like this. It just stands on its own. That's a beautiful looking dish. Bam. And then finally, let's do the dessert. So I was a little skeptical about the molten lava cake, which has been done in fine restaurants for a long time now. I'm going to get a spatula to pull this out. We haven't done this, really, but a lot of restaurants in the 90s, especially in New York when I was there, got into it. And then we've got our creme anglaise, Earl Grey creme anglaise. We can drizzle around. We always just get one dessert for us on our meal kit night. And then the candied lemon. Get it all in there. Very nice. There you go. So, Mother's Day about to come up. We've got the most incredible Mother's Day week menu. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday next week. I hope you order it because it's going to be something gorgeous and really special for all the moms out there. So in advance, happy Mother's Day and happy 20th anniversary to us because we just turned 20 this Monday. And I thank you for all of your support because without you guys, we don't exist. Cheers. Enjoy your meal. And please take it one course at a time.